Every organization wants to connect their people to their purpose, so they always stay motivated to perform at their best. Yet traditional performance management often leaves employees disconnected and disengaged. How can you empower and engage your people to drive bigger business impact? With SAP SuccessFactors Performance and Goals, you can ignite passion and performance by providing employees the ongoing guidance and direction they need. You can easily set employee goals and align them with team and company objectives by creating goals with the SMART Goal Wizard, cascading goals, and ensuring goal-linked activities stay on track throughout the year, so you can keep your workforce constantly focused on the right business objectives. Provide employees ongoing direction to continuously improve their performance through facilitating informal check-ins that increase managers' visibility into goal progress and achievements, and fostering simple feedback and coaching at any time so employees get the guidance they need when they need it. Engage employees with meaningful performance evaluations by conducting formal assessments that ensure fairness, accuracy, and legal compliance. Pulling in employee achievements and feedback. Also, visually comparing your team's performance based on competencies, so you can effectively evaluate and reward their contributions. Ensure objective decisions are made when identifying top performers by providing managers with a balanced view of their team's performance and presenting visual and intuitive employee comparisons that are free of unconscious bias, so you can simplify rating and pay decisions. With SAP SuccessFactors Performance and Goals, you can support any performance approach based on your unique culture. And when used with the entire SAP SuccessFactors HCM suite and other SAP solutions for the intelligent enterprise, you transform workforce experiences and deliver better business results.